What's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, so before we get started with the upcoming mints, let me show you guys one of the plays I did call. I did call Yaku Corp in my Discord. I called this collection capsules, I called it around 6-ish, and then I called the second one, well, the first one, I mean, this first one, I called it around 5-ish, just because I know they are releasing their avatars April 30th. And if you do own both of those collections, you get a whitelist for the avatars. And I think for a fact, when the avatars do release, I do see them at a 5-ish, 4-ish sold price, maybe even higher. But let's go ahead and continue here, you guys. So, Dead Rejects, it actually comes out in 13 hours. If I were to mint a project tomorrow, this is one I would mint. Of course, there is FUD around this project, like most projects out, but it is a future launch on Magic Eden. Escrow, what this means is that the funds go to third-party escrow and they release a day. That will they will be released in one day, which means less possibility of a rug. And I'm pretty sure Magic Eden's process is more solid now since of that whole Balloonsville thing. But let's check out their website here. The art, you guys, the art is insane. I love it. Roadmap. So they're going to launch their mint and then life after rejection. So after mint, they're going to enter the afterverse. They're going to set up the DAO. And then they are going to come out with some sort of staking, as you can see here. And along with 90% of all Genesis reject royalties per month, they're going to be towards their liquidity pool to allow rejects to trade dead easily on exchanges, you guys. And this is what's cool about it as well. In this phase right here, the lifeblood of the afterverse, they could upgrade themselves by minting undeads. Undeads will act as a multiplier and offer higher staking rewards to holders in this phase, and all unminted supply will be burnt. Pretty solid, you guys. I like this project. The team seems doxed here. This is their team here. So I'm bullish on this project, you guys. All right, you guys. So the next project I got for you guys, I'm really bullish on as well. It is Crypto Corral Tribe. First of all, let me show you the art in this project before we go ahead with the roadmap. Their art is cool, you guys. I like it. Don't get me wrong. It's okay. You know, it's not bad. It's good art. Second, I do want to mention before we go more in depth about this project, the devs in this project, you guys, they're great at marketing. They contribute a lot to the investors. And one thing I love especially about this project, they're trying to do something for the world, which is always good. It's always good seeing this. Just check out their website. It's insane as well. They're launching the 24th of April. Supply is 65. So let's go ahead and check it out. So a creative hub in business to save the natural world, plus 180 hand illustrated elements. 50% will go to the impact fund. So if you guys don't know what the impact fund is, it's a community-led treasury investing in our planet, seeded with 50% of all primary and secondary sales. Curation, the tribes are gonna work together to curate projects leveraging art and tech to drive wildlife conservation. So that is something I love right there. They're actually collabing with, let me go ahead and show you guys here, Coral Triangle Center, Corral Guardian, and Turks Caicos Refund. So we even see on the roadmap, they actually have it here, 3K corals across 3 continents. First project realized by the Impact Fund, executed by their network marine NGOs. If you also hop on their Discord's super active, you guys. It's always popping in there. Uh, Sorry about that. Here it is. There's always constant talking. It seems like a whole one big family. I get really good vibes just being in this Discord. So let's go ahead and continue here with the roadmap. So of course, phase one is going to be their launch. Second is utility and holder rewards. Uh, so that's going to staking Gen 2 collection, which is going to be airdrop to CCT holders. So if you own a CCT, which is Crypto Coral Tribe, you get one of these for free. And then the Solar Punk Academy, where it's pretty much an educational hub for holders. And then they're going to have long-term value placed in this as well. They're going to do community giveaways and nature retreats, which is badass. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes we just got to step away from the screen and just look at in real life, you know? You always got to take a break from NFTs. NFTs can't be your whole world. So let's go ahead here. Again, the art, you guys, it's great. I like it. So the team, you guys, the team is actually doxed. If you even go on their Discord, they're really responsive as well. They contribute to their investors, to the people. They're gonna even contribute to our planet. So they're gonna fight for nature for sure. And I don't see where this project could go wrong. If the team delivers, you guys, this has a good chance of mooning. Don't get me wrong, because when you mix helping out the world and then helping out our planet, I mean, nothing can go wrong if you do deliver and everything goes to plan. So this is how their funds are going to be donated to their partners. They're going to be sent through Coral Partner. They're going to be sent to the partners I just mentioned through the blockchain, and we're going to be able to see all those transactions be verified. So pretty dope, you guys. Go ahead, check them out. As well, subscribe to me. Let me show you some more art before we leave. Pretty dope. And then the docs team, they have them here as well. Go ahead, join their Discord. You can look at all that. You can look at their roadmap. And that's all for me, Professor NFT out. Make sure you subscribe and join my Discord. Peace.